Good morning class. Today we will discuss about second unit first lesson, that is C.V. Raman, the Pride of India 1988. So here C.V. Raman is one of the greatest person in those days for the science, mainly for the science. So C.V. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, full name. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, the Pride of India. He was born on 1988. So here there was a full of excitement in the city. So here, there the Chandrasekhara Raman is showing some of his equipments to the visitor people. So there is a Indian association, that is in those days there is a Indian association. There is so much of labs in that. So there Chandrasekhara Raman also there in that. So he was showing some of his equipment, some of his discoveries to the visitor people. So fastly one young man came and told that A.H. Campton is the winner of the Nobel Prize, and what is a Campton effect is A.H. Campton is winner of the Nobel Prize. So he said that light passes through beam, that is X-rays passes through beam. So here then Raman got a doubt that if the X-rays passes through the beam, then it is also same for the light too. Then he questioned some that is for, and he studied on that, and after that he said that he studied that A.H. Campton said that the X-rays passes through a beam of light. Then Raman said that it is same for the light also. Then A.H. Campton said that the X-rays or the light passes through a vacuum. It depends on the matter. That is, if the matter is different, then the beam of light passed is also different. This is called Campton effect. Later, Raman studied on that, and he studied the light passing in the liquid medium or a chemical medium, and he also discovered a new thing, and the light passes through the liquid medium. That is, the light which passes through the liquid medium depends upon the matter or a light passing through that. So that March 16, 1928, he proposed a new effect called Raman effect, and it is called new radiation. So after Campton, Raman also discovered that is called Raman effect. For that Raman, so here that effect, that is that saying that how what Raman had said. Keep the world attention, and he had earned a Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery. So after Campton, Raman had discovered a Raman effect, and for that he earned a Nobel Prize in 1930, and the Raman effect is widely accepted by world, and it is also called as red letter day because that much big invention was done by the first time by Raman, and he became the member of Indian Association when he was in 19 age only, very young age. He became the member of Indian Association by his discoveries. So what is he got a job in finance minister in Calcutta. So Raman parents first he completed his degree, and Raman parents like to send him for abroad to complete his higher studies, but the British surgeon, that is the British surgeon could not send the British surgeon came against them, and anyway he completed his higher studies in Bangalore only, that is now called as Bengaluru. He completed his studies in, and he got a job in finance ministry in Calcutta. So for his parents, he is doing his job in Calcutta. He completed his MA and he is doing his job. But after completing his office, he used to spend most of the time in the lab only because he is very much interested in science and discoveries. So he used to he used to spend more and more time in labs only, and he also worked as he also write a research papers or a research books for the science people, journalists. He also written a research books for the science journalist and Royal Society of London. So here he got another award in London, that is the Royal Society of London, and in his small age only he got another award, that is Royal Society of London in 1929. He another discovery of C.V. Raman. Then 1970 November 21st 1970 he passed away. So this the Raman effect is now also said by many in many science books, because it was true and it was easy and very very useful effect. And here when he was discovering, he got a Nobel Prize because the discovery was very useful to us and the cost is very less, that is the equipment with only 200 cost and with minimum qualities only he discovered this all. So his passion on science shows that how talented he is. He is talented from childhood only, but his discovery says that how the science affect on us and how science is important for us. These are all the discoveries of C.V. Raman, and February 28th is considered as Raman effect days or a science day for his effect, because Raman's effect was discovered on that day. So here the C.V. Raman is a very good and scientist, and if we were the scientist, we also should discover something or some equipment. What you will discover, tell me in the comment box. And here Raman, Pride of India, 1988 and born on 1988 and passed away in 1970. This is all about the great scientist C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Hope you understand. Thank you. In this lesson, this is all about his discoveries, his awards. This only in this lesson. If you read the lesson once, you will understand. Thank you.